like to think we have one of the most important jobs, just because your weapon is your safety at all times, and it's your protector. So, you know, if your weapon goes down and you're not able to fix it, or it's not able to function, that's bad news. If possible, and I had time to work on the vehicles, I will always try to learn new things. I started off small at first, helping operators out. Now I do fire suppressions. I help them drop the belly plate, which is, it's a lot of work, but you know, it got to get done somehow. We all came together more tight-knit as a group, you know, playing basketball together, being around each other like more than 12 hours a day a lot of the times, and just seeing each other at, picking each other up when one is down, and you know, things like that. It just keeps us going and motivated. So we're all there for each other no matter what. It's just a family, one big family.